Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Click bell icon and subscribe button to get latest updates.
Add 2 tablespoon oil. Add onion. Add ginger. Add garlic. Fry until it's get golden brown color. Add green chilli and fry it well. Add chopped tomato and fry it. Add salt 1 spoon. I am adding it earlier so onion will get cooked very fast. Close lid and cook for 2 minutes. Grinding soaked cashew and khaskhas in a mixer. Tomato and onion has been cooked nicely. Now I will leave it for get it cool. Once it's cool, I'll adding in a mixer to make a smooth paste. Adding 2 tablespoon oil. Add jeera. Add methi leaves. And fry it. I am adding red chilli and daniya powder 1 spoon. If you want spicy, you can add 1 more spoon. Adding grinded paste, masala paste. After adding masala paste, fry it well until it's get thick consistency. Now I'm adding turmeric and garam masala powder. Now it's become thick paste consistency. I will add matar and fry it. Add paneer 200 grams and fry. I will add 100 ml of water. Once it's getting boiling, I'll close the lid and keep it for 5 minutes to get cooked. Now I will add cashew and khaskhas paste. Stir well and paneer matar masala is ready. I'll off the stove.